Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Jianchen from Chungnam National University. It is my great honor to take advantage of this opportunity to share our study here. The title of our study is Anesthetic Exposures during neurodevelopment reduced autistic behavior in the BTBR mouse model of autism. In our previous study, we suggested that the neurotoxicity induced by early anesthetic exposures contributes to EI imbalance. Then the imbalance could impair neurodevelopment. EI imbalance is also reported as an underlying mechanism of autism. So we supposed that EI imbalance occurred by early anesthetic exposures may increase autistic behavior. Here we performed our study on BTBR mice, which is one of the most studied autism mouse models, and it has the core autistic behaviors. One is the impaired sociability. Three-chamber test is a useful way to test the sociability of mice. There are three chambers here. This chamber has a stranger mouse and another one has a novel object. Here we can see B6 mice spend more time in the chamber which has a stranger, but the BTBR mice spend equal time between stranger and subject. Another autism-like behavior is the repetitive behavior. Here we can see the grooming time of BTBR mice is more than B6. The paper published in Neuron suggested that the reduced inhibitory neurotransmission could be the underlying mechanism of autism. The mice underwent 3 cycles of 2.5% sevoflurane anesthesia at PND 16. 5 days after anesthesia, we performed the electrophysiology test in the medial prefrontal cortex. And then we performed the behavior tests at PND 56. Our data indicated that compared with B6 mice, the amplitude and the frequency of SEPSC decreased in BTBR mice. But after sevoflurane anesthesia, we are surprised to find that the amplitude and the frequency increased. Interestingly, in behavior test, we can easily find that BTBR mice spend equal time between stranger and subject. But after anesthesia, the BTBR mice prefer a more social experience, and the repetitive behavior decreased. That means the autistic behavior improved. The study shows that early sevoflurane exposures can correct EI imbalance in BTBR mice. So we come to a conclusion that early anesthetic exposures may induce a different effect with NDDS. That's all. Thank you.